Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jacuzzi sand filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining crystal clear water in your swimming pool, ensuring a healthy and enjoyable swimming experience throughout the season. This essential piece of equipment works tirelessly to remove debris, dirt, and other impurities, making it a vital investment for any pool owner who values water quality and ease of maintenance. Choosing the right sand filter can significantly impact your pool's overall health and the amount of time you spend on upkeep, so understanding its features and benefits is paramount. Number 5. INTEX Crystal Clear 2100 GPH Sand Filter Pump 26645 EG. Experience superior water filtration with its 6-function valve. You can easily filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system for crystal clear water. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with the built-in 24-hour timer. It offers preset cycles, allowing for easy scheduling and automatic operation of your pool's filtration. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply connect the hoses and plug it in. It's designed for easy installation with compatible above-ground pools. This pump requires minimal upkeep, as the sand can last up to 5 years with routine backwashing. Enjoy its efficient performance with a 2-year limited warranty. Benefit from its advanced technology that enhances circulation and filtration. This improves water clarity and increases negative ions for a healthier pool environment. What we like. This model offers a convenient 24-hour timer for automatic operation and is designed for easy installation. Its hydroaeration technology improves water circulation and clarity. If you have an INTEX above-ground pool up to 12,800 gallons and are looking for a hassle-free, automated filtration system, this is a great choice. What people say. This filter is very easy to assemble and install. The filter is very effective at removing debris and keeping the water clear. The large capacity of the filter means it doesn't need to be cleaned as often. Number 4. INTEX Crystal Clear 2800 GPH Sand Filter Pump 26647 EG. Experience crystal clear water with our advanced filtration system. Its 6-function valve offers versatile control for filtering, backwashing, rinsing, and more, ensuring optimal pool hygiene. Enjoy a hassle-free pool season with the built-in 24-hour timer. Set your preferred cycles, and let it automatically manage your pool's filtration for you. Getting started is a breeze. Simply connect the hoses and plug it in. It's designed for easy installation with INTEX above-ground pools up to 17,200 gallons. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your pool. The sand requires minimal maintenance, lasting up to 5 years with simple backwashing. Discover the difference with our innovative hydroaeration technology. It enhances circulation and filtration, leading to improved water clarity and a healthier swimming environment. This pump delivers impressive performance with a high flow rate, ensuring efficient water circulation and filtration for pools of various sizes. What we like. With a larger tank and a higher flow rate, this option provides more robust filtration for bigger pools. It also features a 24-hour timer for convenience. If you have an above-ground pool between 5,500 and 17,200 gallons and need a more powerful filtration solution, consider this model. What people say. This filter is very effective at keeping the water crystal clear. The sand in the filter lasts for a long time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. It's easy to install and maintain, making it a great choice for DIY pool owners. Number 3. SaluSpa Type 6 Replacement Filter Cartridge 2-Pack. Introducing the SaluSpa Type 6 Replacement Filter Cartridge. This pack includes 2 filters designed to keep your spa water clean and pristine. These premium filters are compatible with SaluSpa hot tub pumps. Their easy-to-clean design ensures they last longer, saving you money and hassle. By maintaining clean water, these cartridges help extend the lifespan of your pump in your hot tub. Enjoy more relaxation time with less worry. Cleaning these filters is simple, allowing them to be used repeatedly. This means fewer purchases and more time enjoying your hot tub. Each pack contains 2 high-quality filter cartridges, model number 60311E. They are shrink-wrapped for protection and include an insert card. With dimensions of 4.2 by 4.2 by 3.1 inches, these filters are designed for a perfect fit. Enjoy crystal clear water with this essential accessory. What we like. This is a replacement filter cartridge specifically designed for SaluSpa inflatable hot tubs. Its easy-to-clean design helps extend its lifespan, and it comes in a convenient 2-pack. If you own a SaluSpa hot tub and need to replace your filter, this is the perfect, cost-effective solution. What people say. The Jacuzzi sand filter is a robust and efficient unit, designed to keep your pool water crystal clear with minimal effort. Its large capacity ensures fewer cleanings throughout the season, and the durable construction promises long-lasting performance. Number 2. INTEX Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump and Saltwater System 26675 EG. Enjoy crystal clear and fresh water in your pool. This system uses sand filtration and a saltwater generator to keep your water clean and safe for your family. It's perfect for pools ranging from 2,600 to 8,500 gallons. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. The integrated saltwater system converts salt into chlorine, naturally sanitizing your pool. This significantly reduces the need for traditional pool chemicals, offering a more natural and cost-effective solution. Operating your pool has never been easier. It features a built-in 24-hour timer with customizable cycles and 3 self-cleaning modes. Enjoy effortless scheduling and maintenance-free operation. Spend less time on upkeep and more time swimming. The sand filter requires minimal maintenance, with sand lasting up to 5 years with simple backwashing. It boasts a powerful pump flow rate for efficient circulation. Experience the difference with advanced hydroaeration technology. This feature enhances water circulation and filtration, leading to improved clarity and a more refreshing swimming experience. It also increases beneficial negative ions at the water's surface. This comprehensive system provides everything you need for pristine pool water. It includes essential hoses and a 2-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. Get ready for a summer of clean, inviting water. What we like. This unit combines sand filtration with a saltwater system, offering fresh, clean water with reduced chemical use. It also boasts 3 self-cleaning modes for added convenience. If you prefer softer, cleaner water and want to minimize chemical additives in your pool, 2,600 to 8,500 gallons, this integrated system is ideal. What people say. The filter is easy to assemble and install, taking less than an hour to set up. It effectively removes debris and keeps the water crystal clear, even with heavy use. The large capacity means less frequent cleaning, saving time and effort. Number 1. Hayward W3S 180T ProSeries Top Mount Sand Filter. Experience dependable performance in any weather. This filter is built with durable, corrosion-proof materials designed to withstand the elements. Our unique self-cleaning system ensures efficient flow and even water distribution. This precision engineering extends the life of your equipment. Achieve maximum flow with our 7-position VariFlow valve. It's designed to provide optimal performance while reducing pressure drop. Prepare for winter with ease. The large pressure sand water drain is always ready for quick winterizing or servicing. Enjoy optimal filtration thanks to the integral top diffuser. It ensures even water distribution over the entire sand bed for maximum efficiency. What we like. Built with durable, corrosion-proof materials, this filter is designed for all-weather performance and long-lasting use. Its top-mount design and 7-position valve ensure maximum flow and efficient filtration. If you're looking for a robust, reliable sand filter for your above-ground pool that can withstand the elements and provide optimal performance, this is a solid choice. What people say. The filter is easy to assemble and set up. It effectively removes debris and keeps the water clear. The large capacity means less frequent cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.